Hey guys, it is Miss Balsarac. I wanted to make a quick video for you today as you guys go ahead and work on your Friday graded assignments. So here we are in Google Classroom. Here's your week 5, which is the week we were working in. This was your newsletter, and then you had your Monday through Thursday assignments, which I hope you were working on throughout the week so that you are ready to go for today's Friday assignment, which will be used as for a grade. So if you click into the Friday graded assignment, you will see that we have to do this Google slide presentation. So when you click on it, it is going to walk you through pros and cons, and then it's going to walk you through your writing prompt that you have to do. So you'll read, who is Alexa? I'm pretty sure you guys have all heard of the Alexa devices. Say, hey Alexa. You're going to read about that. And then we're going to figure out what a pro and a con is. A pro means a positive, and negative aspects of an idea would be the con. Okay, so you're going to practice a little bit with pros and cons. What's a pros and con of a cloth diaper versus a disposable diaper? And look through those. And then you're going to practice figuring out and looking for pros and cons in writing. So then you're going to have to read these Newsella articles. You have 3 articles. I am completely fine with you just picking 1 to 2 of these articles. So if you want to just read about high schoolers taking a personal finance class or should college athletes play for free, that's fine. If you don't want to look at all 3 articles, I'm okay. Pick 2. So what you'll do is you'll say, all right, these are the articles that I need to read in order to go to the next slide and look at the organization. How is the writing organized? So then you're going to log into Newsella, and I have assigned all of those readings for you. So here's your pros and cons readings. You're just going to read the articles and look at how the articles were set up. How were they written? Did they give a pro, then a con, then a pro, then a con? Or did they list all the pros first? And then did they write about all the cons? And you're going to look at these to answer the question of how does the organization of the articles help the reader better understand and develop the pros and the con opinions, okay? What was good, what was bad, the positives and the negatives. And you're going to read those articles in Newsella. You have to log in using your Google account, okay? Then you're going to write about the pros and the cons. Next, these 2 articles are really, really important when you're going to be talking about Alexa, picking out the pros and the cons, and these are the articles you're going to use for your writing piece. So then you'll need to read both of these articles on the Amazon Alexa, so then you'll go back into your Newsella, and I have them assigned for you. Alexa, I like your new touchscreen and opinion, Amazon's Alexa plans, okay? You'll read these 2 articles. Then you're going to go in and you're going to use your graphic organizer. What were the positive things of the topic and what were the negative things of the topic, and list your ideas. This is going to help you when you go to write your writing prompt. So using only this article first, what were the pros and cons? Then using your second article, pros and cons, okay? Do the benefits outweigh the drawbacks? So does the negative things outweigh the positive things, or does the positive things outweigh the negative things, okay? What other information might you need to make that decision? And then we're going to get to the writing prompt, okay? This is a writing prompt. You need to have an introduction, your body paragraphs, and a conclusion. So using both of the articles that you read on Alexa, it says Alexa has been added as part of your everyday life, so it's into many homes across the nation. What are the pros and what are the cons of this? The positive things of having an Alexa in your home, and what are the negative things about having an Alexa in your home? And this is where you're going to write your writing prompt, okay? You need to list your pros and list your cons, okay, in a writing format. You need to have an introduction. And you need to support your claim with evidence from the articles, okay? So if you said a con is this, you need to support your reasoning with some of the things that you put from your articles, okay? So you need to cite your evidence from the articles that you put here in order to help you cite and support your claim with the evidence in your writing prompt, okay? So if you guys have any questions on these, please let me know, but this is the big graded assignment that you're going to have today, and you need to make sure that you're also logged into Newsella to read those articles. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a good day, guys.